Bueno, aquí estamos en Virginia, ya después de haber esperado 3 días por una ventana de tiempo para poder salir de esta bahía. Finalmente llegó el momento. Tenemos ya el diésel, estamos calentando el motor y nos preparamos a salir de la bahía de Little Creek, Virginia, hacia mar afuera, para luego entrar a los canales intercostales que nos van a sacar a Beaufort, y de ahí pues nos va a tomar esta maniobra, nos va a tomar como 4 días para llegar allá abajo. Así que ahí está Robert preparando las cosas. El Yorktown, 35 pies. We have the captain.
Hey Ben, here we are, bright and early Monday morning. We're going to do the intercoastal, and it's got to be better than the exterior, because outside it's like hell today and tomorrow. Oh well.
Okay.
All right. Today is November 2nd, 2009. This is our first day of taking off. The weather was absolutely horrific coming off the coast, so we made a joint decision and decided to come down the Intercoastal Waterway. It's a little slower, but it's a lot steadier and it's a lot more pretty right now. We burned 7.7 hours worth of fuel today. We actually hit the bridges fairly well. There was only one bridge that we had to wait for 55 minutes. We just got to it as it started to close, and we had to putter around in the cold and the damp. But we're here, we're at Atlantic Yacht Basin. It's 4 o'clock local time. We decided to stop because the next stop after this is about 8 hours down the road. And we discovered that this is not a place you want to do in the dark. So Gilbert's doing great, I'm doing great. It's cold as hell, and we're going to have a good time.
Spot. All right.